Hi guys, my name is Ivonne Lopez and this is a short class on English phonetic. Today we will see 4 different sounds, 2 vowels and 2 consonants. It is important to know that knowing the sound of each letter will help us improve pronunciation and understanding the difference between American English and British English. Some words are pronounced differently. Are you ready? Okay. There is a system of symbols to write the sound in English. The sounds are divided into short vowels, long vowels, diphthong, voiceless consonant, and voiced consonant. A long vowel is this. Their sound is O, O. Some words with this sound are walk, door, fall. The phonetic symbol is walk, door, fall. It is very similar to the sound of the vowel O in Spanish, but longer, longer. A short vowel is this. His name is schwa. Their sound is Some word with his sound is ficha, observa, about. The phonetic symbols are ficha, observa, about. A voiceless consonant is this. Their sound is sh, sh. Some words with his sound are shoe, fish, shoe. And the phonetic symbols are shoe, fish, shoe. A voiced consonant is this. Their sound is. Some words with this sound are they, their, they. The phonetic symbols are they, their, they. It is very similar to the sound in Spanish. You need to locate the tip of the tongue on the teeth, letting the air out. Well, that's all for today. Hope to have understood the sound and practice. Bye!